Welcome back. Today is the 11th of April 2021. I am once again back with my two favorite charts for this week. As I always say, this is not a recommendation. This is my own analysis, and I request you to speak to your financial advisor before you take any decision. My second favorite chart of this week is Maithan Alloys Limited. This is the weekly chart. Ferroalloys are used in the manufacturing of steel, and this company is a supplier of ferroalloys to the biggest steel companies in the world: Tata Steel, Jindal Steel, JSW Steel, and even foreign names like Emirates Steel are very good customers to Maithan Alloys. Let's have a look at the history of the stock first. This stock was in a very strong uptrend till the year 2018, after which the metals lost the shine. Right now, we are looking at an inverse head and shoulders formation on this chart. And last week, the stock registered a big breakout out of this formation. If I look at the volume activity over here, there has been a big spike in the volume, which again proves that some big hands have bought this stock. And this stock has cleared the resistance of 670 after several years. So when a stock gives a multi-year breakout, then the party is not over very soon. This stock can show us the levels of 1000, which were the lifetime highs, in the coming weeks. And above that, the sky is open and clear. Now, should you buy this stock tomorrow when the market opens? I don't think that's the best idea, because the stock has already shot up 200 rupees in the last 6 days, and people who have bought at these lower levels, they can book their profits. So there's a high chance that this stock will fall in the coming days, and you should wait for a retracement till the level of 670, and then we can think of buying. The chart structure is great, and the metal sector has started to gain steam. But the reason this is my second favorite and not my favorite is that this stock is not traded very actively. Now let's have a look at my favorite chart for this week. That is of Gujarat Alkalis Limited. If you remember, I have said this in my previous videos, that the more time price spends inside a range, the more ballistic it is going to get when it finally breaks out of that range. The stock was in a downtrend for several years, after which it went completely sideways, and now it is breaking out of this range. If you look at the volume activity, thumbs up to that. And there's a breakout on the price, and there's a breakout on the volume itself. So when there's a breakout on both price and volume, then it is very difficult to stop the stock from going higher. The level of 475 is a small hurdle, but above 475, we can also see the levels of 620. This stock belongs to the chemical space, which is doing very well. I have discussed two chemical stocks in my previous videos, UPL and Make Money Organics, which have done very well till now. I hope you like this video. I request you to leave your feedbacks in the comments below. Thank you.